Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Hey guys, it is Candy here with Crazy Eights Life, and I have an unboxing for you today. This is a new one to me. I decided to give the Nadine West a try because it is cheaper, but we'll see. This is my first one and it came in the mail and it was a complete disaster. The bag was opened and clothing was actually falling out of it. So it's not wrapped and it's not packaged, and I'm not even sure that I have everything. But we'll go ahead and check this out anyways. Nadine West is a clothing subscription service similar to Stitch Fix, just with the prices being a little bit lower than what Stitch Fix usually is. So again, you take a style quiz and then you will be shipped items to try on in your home, and you will try them on. You will return what you do not want and you will keep what you do want. There is a return shipping label in the package that you can just stick stuff back into the package, stick that on and send it back. That's pretty much it. It's risk-free. I don't even know if there is a styling fee. I don't think that there is. Like Stitch Fix has a $20 styling fee. Wantable, I believe, has a $21 styling fee or somewhere around there. I don't believe that they have a styling fee on this one. You just get them shipped, try them on, keep what you want, send what you don't want back. So let's go ahead and go through all of the items. All right, since these are on top, I'll go ahead. I did get a pair of earrings, and it says they are $21. They are the Maryland gold earrings. I'll go ahead and take them out of the package. And here are the earrings. I think they're cute. Let me see if I can go ahead and stick these on for you real quick. Okay. So here are the earrings. I'll show you real quick. They are a tad heavy and my ears are very sensitive. So I'm going to go ahead and leave these on. And by the end of the video, I will know whether they're going to hurt my ears or not. So anyways, that is the first item, is a pair of earrings, and they retail for $21.99. And it also says there's a necklace, which I don't see. And again, my package was ripped open when I got it, so hopefully everything's in here. Here first we have this kind of a color block top. It's very lightweight. It does have this little detail at the neck, which I tend to not care for. I just don't really usually like that style. So this Sheila Rose kind of color block top, it is $19.99 is what this retails for. Again, very lightweight, super comfy. I'm not sure if I like the style around the neck. And then the next item we have is this green. So kind of a tunic style green tee, quarter length tee with some little side detail here with some buttons. Let's see, that is Madison Olive, is $32.99. And then we have a navy tank. It's a simple basic tank top, a little bit flowy at the bottom, and that is $33.49. 3 pairs of pants. So there are 11 items total in this package. I've got 3 pairs of bottoms here. I'll try to go through. We've got Megan Cargo Jogger in navy. It's $28.99. So just a navy jogger, slight distressing, but not too much. And then I'm running out of space here. And I'm sorry, not a jogger, this is skinny jean. It does have the elastic waist. And then I do have here the navy jogger. I might have said those wrong. So here is actually a navy jogger, kind of a cargo style jogger. Maybe it has the pockets on the side. Those are $28.99, and the dark blue jeans were $24.19. And then these next jeans are medium blue holly, and they are $28.99. So again, the elastic waist with quite a bit of distressing. All right, then we have a dress. Get it up here. A black dress, kind of a t-shirt style dress material, but it has the cold shoulder sleeves. It's very lightweight and comfy, and I do love dresses. I love dresses. I like to just be able to throw on something and go get my groceries and come back and not have to really worry about an outfit because I'm lazy. So we have a scarf. I guess it would be great colors for autumn. You can see that. It's really, really pretty if you like scarves. However, I do not wear scarves ever. I just don't wear them. I don't like stuff up around my neck. So probably not something that I will keep. Let's see, that scarf is $16.99. The last item I have here is a dress. Anyways, here is a black dress with some pretty lace detail up top. Again, just a flowy black, very lightweight, comfy dress. And it retails for $44.99. Well, I don't know which one this is. There's two. It doesn't really tell me which dress is which. It just says, so I have a Trixie black dress and a Sandra black dress. One retails for $44.99 and the other for $41.99. So I'm just missing the necklace. Was probably supposed to be in here with the earrings. Here's the necklace, and I'll go ahead and put that on for you too. It's super cute, simple. It's a good length. I don't know if you can see that. I really do like that necklace, I think. Anyways, that is all for the unboxing, and I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully quickly try these on for you. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and I have 3 items on right now. I have the earrings, which I've already showed you, I know, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you again, and I'm gonna list the price below on the screen. And then the necklace here, I don't know if you can see that. It's just a chain with some simple beads in between, kind of like a double chain actually. So that is the Maryland gold necklace and the Maryland gold earrings. And then I also have the tank on, which is the Sunny Days Navy tank. And it is super lightweight tank top. You can tuck it in or just leave it untucked, and I think it looks good both ways. All right guys, the next item I have on is the top. It is the Francesca top in mauve. It retails for $19.99. And I also have on the dark jeans, Lisa jeans, that are $24.19. All right, so the color block top. Okay, so first of all, this detail right here, I do not know if I love that. I've always kind of been iffy on that style. I don't know. Otherwise, the top is so comfy, and I think it's super cute. And I know that Nadine West prices are a lower price point, but it feels like it's great quality. So I'm also going to show you these jeans. I don't know if you can see, but it has that thick elastic band right here. They are pretty comfortable. I actually love my Stitch Fix jeans and the comfort of them, and usually don't buy anything else anymore. But these are actually pretty comfortable, and they're only like, what, 28 bucks? So let me back up and hopefully you can see them. They are a little bit long for me. If you can see, they're kind of bunched up all the way down because I have very short legs. So I'm not sure about that. I mean, I could cuff them. Cuffing them, they're a little bit long. I don't know if you can see that at all. I don't think so. Anyways, so I'm not sure about the fit on them just as far as the length goes. All right, guys, so I'm back with the next outfit, and I have the, let's see, medium blue Holly jeans that are $28.19 and the Madison olive top that is $19.19. So a simple long sleeve tee on top, but the bottom is flowy, and it does have this, I don't even know where it's at, this button detail down the side. It is more of like a tunic style top, which honestly I did not think I would like at all, but I really love this color, and the top is super comfy. And then with that, I have the jeans on that have the distressing, the light blue with all the distressing down the legs. And again, my biggest issue with this is the length. And I left one leg regular, and I went ahead and cuffed the other, so we can try to see, although I just don't know if I can show you with this. So here are the jeans. And as you can see, there's a bunch of bunching from the leg down, or the knee down. It's kind of bunched up quite a bit there. I have to roll it like twice for it to kind of be right. But there's those. It again has the thick elastic waistline, which honestly, getting these jeans out, I thought they're super thick and heavy, I felt like, and I didn't think I would like them, but they're both super comfy. These joggers retail for $28.99. A super lightweight, thin jogger. Just a typical jogger. They do have these cargo pockets, style pockets on the side. All right, and now I'll be back with the dress. Okay, guys, I have the last dress on, and this is the Sonora black dress, or the Trixie. I'm sorry, I'm probably interchanging those, but anyways, two black dresses. This one retails for $41.99. The other one for $44.99, unless I have those reversed, and if I do, I'm sorry. This is the cold shoulder dress, a basic kind of t-shirt dress, flowy at the bottom, has the shoulder detail on top. And again, I'm not sure, I used to really like the shoulder detail, but I'm just not sure that I do anymore. So, this is the dress. This one does not have pockets. The other one had pockets. This one does not. And then I will quickly show you the scarf, and like I said, I do not wear scarves. I know I'm not going to wear a scarf. I just don't. Just like I hardly wear jewelry. I'm just not going to wear it. But the colors are cute for fall. All in all, I think this whole entire fix has some great colors to go into fall with. So here is the scarf that you can, it's really pretty. I mean, I really do like the colors. I just am not a scarf wearer. Maybe I should, I don't know. But anyways, that is all I have to try on here. I'm gonna go over real quick and see if I can figure out the price of the entire, and I don't know that there's a discount or anything for purchasing more, items, or all of the items or anything like that. So I'm gonna check that out real quick, and I'll be right back. So I don't see that there is any discount for buying multiple items. So you just get charged for whatever you want to keep and then send the rest back. And the sending back is super simple. You just put all of the items back into the same bag that you received it in, stick this over the shipping label, and then stick it back in your mailbox. So that's super simple. I am not sure right now what I'm going to keep. I probably have to look and see what I need. I do like several of the items, so please let me know what your favorite items were in this box and which ones you did not like, and your experiences with Nadine West in general and the quality of their clothing. Since I don't have any Nadine West products at this point or clothing at this point, I don't know how well they hold up or wash and all of those kind of things. So any information that you have, just to let me know down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Have a great day.